Okay, so this is took it out of the box. Have to charge up the batteries. So there are the batteries being charged. Two are charging here, and there's a Greenwork battery over there. There's our robot too, Sally. Okay, so this is my solar generator. We have approximately 4 to 6 type quick charge 3.0 ports. We got 2 PD or Type C. It can charge a laptop. So this houses a bunch of batteries inside, so it can charge the other batteries. And this is hooked up to a 140 watt solar panels. There's 2 panels. This also has it's a inverter to convert higher voltage batteries into 12 volt. So now it's charging 12 volt batteries. So it works pretty neat. Okay, so well, I built this myself. This is my AVS Gen. It's named after Albert's Voice solar generator. That's what it's called. The first of its kind. And these are built with MPEG-C4s and MPEG-C4 fuses. So, so it's well protected.